Hey everyone, this is Ms. D in the Boss Lady Lounge, and we're here to elevate, educate, and motivate, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm taking on a $50 grocery challenge, showing you how to feed 4 people delicious, healthy meals without breaking the bank. In our world today, we have to find ways to budget and stretch the money we have. Whether you're on a tight budget or just looking to save a little extra cash, I've got you covered. Let's get started. The key to stretching your budget starts before you even step into the store with a meal plan. Here's what I did. I planned 5 simple dinners plus breakfast and lunches using affordable foods. 2 pounds chicken thighs, $6, 1 pound ground turkey, $4, 1 dozen eggs, $2, rice 5-pound bag, $4, pasta $2, canned beans $2, $3, frozen veggies 2 bags, $4, bread $2, milk $3, cheese $3, fresh produce like bananas, carrots, and onions $6, tomato sauce $2, seasonings and oil $5. That brings the total to $46, leaving a few dollars cushion. Now let's talk about what to make. Here's how to turn that $50 into a week of meals. Alright y'all, let's talk about some easy and tasty breakfasts you can whip up without breaking the bank. First up, good old scrambled eggs and toast. Simple, filling, and super quick. If you want to prep ahead, overnight oats with bananas are a real lifesaver. Just toss everything together the night before and you're set for the morning. And hey, don't let those leftovers go to waste. Breakfast burritos using leftover rice and eggs are not just delicious, but also a great way to use what you already have. Now moving on to lunchtime favorites. You can never go wrong with turkey and cheese sandwiches. Classic, satisfying, and easy to make. Or if you're feeling like something a bit heartier, rice bowls with beans and veggies are both nutritious and super customizable. And for a fresh twist, chicken wraps with lettuce and a little bit of sauce hit the spot every time. Alright y'all, let's talk about some tasty dinners that won't break the bank. First up, we've got chicken and rice stir fry, a 1-pan meal with frozen veggies that's super easy and filling. Next is spaghetti night, just some pasta, tomato sauce, and ground turkey, and you're good to go. For something hearty, try bean and veggie chili. It's filling, cheap, and honestly, it stretches a long way. Baked chicken thighs with carrots and onions is another favorite. Simple, but so flavorful. And don't forget DIY taco night, where you can use up any leftovers and get creative with what you've got. So, all these meals are balanced, flavorful, and you know they use overlapping ingredients to help you save even more money. Now to keep things under $50, here are a few simple tips I always follow. Shop store brands instead of name brands. Buy in bulk when you can. Plan meals that share ingredients. And don't forget to use coupons and loyalty apps. Oh, and avoid impulse buys. Just stick to your list. And there you have it. A whole week of meals for a family of 4, all under $50. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more budget-friendly living tips. Tell me in the comments, what's your favorite cheat meal idea? See y'all next time.